Hi guys, it's Don. Today I'm going to be posting about 1 in a billion moments in nature. Let's watch.
Nature always knows how to leave us in awe. From extreme weather and unusual landscapes to rare animal moments. One of the billions of moments that occur at the perfect time, place,
And guys, make
angle.
sure to like and subscribe.
Are you ready to witness nature's most extraordinary moments? Let's dive in.
Hi guys, it's Don. Today we're going to watch Yeah.
Se está cayendo. Se volteó, mira, mira, mira. No, 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 no.
Whoa!
A tourist accidentally captured the awe-inspiring moment when an iceberg from the Uppsala Glacier in Argentina capsized.
Whoa, guys! Whoa! The reason why I muted it, because I wanted to do my audio, because it's my channel. Whoa! 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 The wind is crazy, guys. The wind is crazy. Got to admit. Whoa, that car's getting soaked. Yeah, good, everyone was safe. That was like a tornado. But with nature. Nature tornado, hey? Okay, so now we see a van moving. I'm gonna try to put the voice back on.
Are delivered on time.
Oh, that van's gonna go into the snow. Yep, called it.
Life in the Royal Gardens neighborhood on the southern slope of Hawaii Island has been impacted for the last 30 years by Mount Kilauea's volcanic activity.
I think that guy is a photographer for Nat Geo or something like that. I'm intimidated by his big camera.
On March 2nd, 2012, lava from Pu'u'o volcano advanced toward the last inhabited house, which was also Jack Thompson's home. Just an hour and a half after Jack was safely evacuated by helicopter, the rushing molten lava engulfed his house. The name Royal Gardens is gone, but its memories will forever live on in the hearts of those who once called it home. Watch out when navigating areas with whirlpools like this, as they can drag your boat into powerful currents and sink it to the ocean floor. The Mongolian herd forms a hoarse whirlwind around the campfire to stay warm and ward off predators. A mysterious geological event occurred in Taragan Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, India, when an 850-foot bore well drilling unexpectedly triggered a powerful eruption of water, gas, and mud from the ground. The area quickly turned into a flooded pond, prompting authorities to deploy emergency response measures. From afar, Mount Fuji seems to be engulfed in flames. This stunning sight often appears at sunrise or sunset.
Wow, that's cool though. Hailstorm. Look at the pool though. You're gonna get headshotted if you were in the pool.
Okay, I'm going down. Go down, stick.
An underwater encounter with the charming and unique feather star. These ancient, spineless creatures first appeared in the fossil record around 300 million years ago, long before dinosaurs existed on Earth. Hair ice, also known as ice flowers, forms as delicate, hair-like strands on damp, decaying wood, catalyzed by a special fungus. The gateway to heaven unexpectedly appeared at a ski resort in Altai, Xinjiang on December 11th, leaving many in awe. This scene lasted over 10 minutes, with a rainbow appearing, making the view even more spectacular. This is known as the Tyndall effect, a phenomenon of light
Bye, guys.
scattering